Welcome to my prepper pantry. In this video today, I'd like to share with you how to make tomato sauce out of two ingredients, tomato powder and water. It's really that simple. Let me show you how to do it. The ratio of tomato powder to water is 3 parts of water to 1 part of tomato powder. So what we're going to do is just take 1 cup of water, so 1 cup of just room temperature water, and then we're going to take 1/3 cup of tomato powder and put into that. And then we'll just give it a little stir and see how it does. And that is all you have to do to make tomato sauce out of tomato powder. Now, remember that this can is just pure tomato powder. There's no salt or any other seasonings added to it. So in your can, if you were to be using a can, there's typically salt and garlic and onion and I think some citric acid added to that. So the can has a few different ingredients added to that, which you can add to yours. Or whatever you're going to be putting this into, you can just maybe taste it as you go and see if you need to add more seasonings to it. But as it is just plain tomato. Let's open up a can of this and we'll do a side-by-side comparison. And then we'll fill ours back into this can so you can see that the quantity is the same amount that's coming out of the can that we've mixed up here with our 3-to-1 ratio. All right. So as you can see here, this is the one that came out of the can. You can kind of see how quickly that's closing back up when we pull the spoon through it. Now let's do it with the one that we've made here. Pretty much a very similar movement happening there. So it's a very similar consistency or thickness. Now let's take our mix and let's put it back into the container there. See how well this works here. Our quantity that came out of this can into this container, into this bowl, we're able to make the same amount and fill the can back up. So that's awesome. So if you need an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, you can use this ratio or this quantity of 1/3 of tomato powder to 1 cup of water, and then you'll be able to have your tomato sauce. I hope that this demonstration has helped you to see how easy it is to use tomato powder in your recipes. I know this is just a simple little tomato sauce, but you can also use it for tomato paste or ketchup or spaghetti sauce or salsa or other things like that. I've got a playlist that I'll leave here at the end for you to be able to see some of the other recipes that I've made with this tomato powder. And once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.